Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the syllabus of the information technology. Basically, many of the students are confused of the syllabus of the information technology because the three syllabus to study the information technology. One is code number is 165, that is the information technology, which comprises of 40 marks theory and 60 marks practical. And another is code number 166, that is the information and communication technology. But we have to study it code number 402, that is the information technology. If you are taking the additional paper as information technology, then you have to study it about the code number 402. So let's discuss the chapter what we have to study. Information technology code number 402. Let's start. In this syllabus, we have divided into two sections, that is part A and part B. Another important thing I would like to say that this paper is comprises of 100 marks and 50 marks is theory and the 50 marks is practical. Now, in part A, that is the employability skills. In employability skills, we have to study about the communication skills. Now, what is the communication skills? The ability using when giving and receiving different kinds of information like new ideas, feelings, and other things come under the communication skills. And number two is self management skills. In self management skills, it's abilities that allow people to control their thoughts, etc. And in third unit, information and communication technology. In this information and communication skills, ability to converse with people through various technology. Number four is entrepreneur skills. Entrepreneur skills tasked to discover new problems, opportunities like time management, efficiency and communications, networking and finance. And in last unit 5, that is the green skills. In green skills need to adapt the process, services and products to climate change and environmental regulations and requirement related to it. And in the part B, we have to study the web application. In web application, we will learn about how to create the blogs. Blogs is nothing but it is a personal diary, which is using online personal diary. And in the web application, we use many kinds of softwares like Humana and others to create our own blogs. Blogs will be provided in two phases. One is free, and another you can purchase the own website through the GoDaddy.coms and others. So we will discuss in this details in the section wise. And another is unit 2, that is word processing. In word processing, it is used to related to text document, write the text related documents and format the documents, and we can design the documents as per we need it. Spreadsheet, unit 3, spreadsheet. In spreadsheet, we will create many of the things related to the calculation purpose, like creating report cards of the students, making the salary slip of the employees and others. Unit 4, that is the digital presentations. In digital presentations, we use to present our ideas, views in front of audience. And in unit 5, email messaging. In email messaging, we used to understand what is the email messaging, how we can send the email messages. And in this chapter we will study about the calendars, how we maintain our daily routines and others. And unit 6, that is the database development system. In this topic we will discuss about how to store our data and how to maintain our database by using the DBMS software or RDBMS software and other things. So these all the things related to the CBSE which provide the syllabus of 402.